Today we're gonna present our website, which is Renote. The first thing that you will see on our website is the login page. Here, you can enter your email and then your password, and then hit login button so that you can log in. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up and make one. First, we will enter the username, then our email, and then the password. Just make sure that the passwords match so that we don't have an error.
Now that our login and sign up button is introduced, we are here at the main interface of our system, which is the Renault app, and it has the My Courses, which have the add course, in which you can add your course title. For example, HCI. Then click add course to add. Then this will prompt us. Yun. Okay. And you can also view. And since that the HEI doesn't have any notes, you can also go back to the main interface, which is the My Courses. For an example, ITEP 101, it has the Introduction to Programming, Variables and Data Types. It has the different types of lessons included in that type of course, and it will make the system and make the user be familiarized with that type of lesson. Then if the user wants it has its own interface which is located at the top corner. Let's get started. Create note. You can add different titles that you want to learn. For an example, HCI, then write your notes here. Any notes that you want to add here can be added in this part. Then the tags, you can also personalize your tags, then select course of that type of course. Okay. Then save note. Okay. Then as you can see, it can be found now in the main interface, which is the HCI example computer. If you don't want that lesson anymore and you don't need it, you can also delete it by navigating the cursor of your computer to the delete section. Then delete. And now we have the scan QR code method, in which the user can scan the QR code of that different type of lesson that they needed in order to learn something new, which is provided by the teacher. As you can see, it finds the Wikipedia or organization. Then you can also add it as a note. This page says your content created. As you can see, it only provides the lesson link, in which you can use it as a reference for the next lesson that you are needed. There are also search note courses at the very top corner of your Renote app. and you can select the different type of lesson that you are needed to see on that search button. For an example, here, yeah, and there. In the micro section, we also have the delete button, which is found in the near view button. Yeah. Then it will prompt the delete course to make sure that you are actually deleting that different type of lesson. Then okay. As you can see, it's not in the micro section anymore. And that will be all for our system. Thank you.